How's it going, guys? John here over at Byrider Green Bay. I want to take a little time to tell you about our optional service contract called our 4848 service contract. This is a service contract that's an optional extra on your vehicle purchase with us that covers your vehicle for the first 48,000 miles or 48 months, whatever comes first. Now, most of our loans here are 4 years. That's 48 months. So it's pretty much coverage for the entirety of your loan. What it covers, major component coverages. So like engine, transmission, stuff like that. If something goes wrong with your engine, your transmission, something major like that, you pay a $50 deductible and we'll take care of the rest. Only way you can make this not work is if you don't take care of your vehicle. So just make sure you keep your oil changed every 3 months, 3,000 miles, stuff like that, and keep a record of it, and you should be all set. So if you're looking for a vehicle and you want to get in one that's nice and has really good coverage and is reliable, give us a call, 920-455-7788, or come on, stop in the location at 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. We want to help you out and get you in a vehicle, just give us a call. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.